Good morning! It's 7:11 a.m. and we're going out for breakfast. Ayaw ibigay sa akin yung ano ko. Yeah, yung gimbal ko. No, we're not gonna ride. Ay, yeah. We're gonna ride truck pala. Yes. L3. L3 kasi yung service dito sa hotel. Yes po. Yes. Good morning!
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Baby.
Can I have my gimbal, please?
No,
Can I have that?
sir. No.
Paano si mommy?
It's a mine.
It's a mine.
It's a mine.
It's a mine.
It's a mine, mommy.
It's a mine.
Sir. Sir.
Ito yung pinili ni Daddy like for 5 minutes. Magalaw yung lamesa natin. It's now 10:39 and we are going out. Draco. Alis na kami dito sa room. Check out na kami. Bye-bye fairways. Bye-bye fairways. Let's go. Let's go. We are on the boat. Sobrang init. Grabe. As in, nakakapaso yung init.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day.
Hello guys.
Today, four.
Nasa bus na kami.
But one.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. The mommy on the bus. The baby on the bus say, cry, cry, cry.
Cry for it.
Cry, 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 cry. Cry, cry, cry. Cry, cry, cry.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, baby. No, baby. I keep big baby. No, baby, baby, baby. Pew pew fire. Pew 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 pew.
Ayos ba seatbelt niya?
Anak, anak.
Dapat ito na yung entry kasi ito na sa gitna ng floor.
Dito na kami sa airport. Dito na si Bandam eh. Waiting na lang namin sila. Waiting na namin si Bandam.
Nasa ba sila?
Oo, pumasok nga sila. Nagwawala na naman siya. Gusto niya na naman mag-move.
Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie.
Ayun na po, sasakay na tayo ng car.
What's wrong?
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we'll make it tonight.
Hello. It's now 8:34. Kanina pa kami nakauwi, siguro mga around 6. Ganyan. After ng airport, pumunta muna kami sa kainan malapit dito.
Nugget.
Tapos sobrang tagal namin naghintay ng pagkain doon. Parang nakalimutan yung order namin.
Hello.
Siguro mga 1 oras kami doon sa kainan. Tapos ayun, after
Asamay.
dito, makit sila nanay, si tatay, kwento-kwento. Tapos, teka muna na. Inayos ko yung mga ibang gamit namin. Ayun. Tapos naligo na kami. Yan. Yan. Nawala pala yung ano ko, yung adapter ko dun para dun sa mic. Feeling ko, kinuha yun ni Draco. Tapos nailagay niya somewhere dun sa room namin. Nabalikan naman, pinacheck, wala daw dun, pero so, ayun. That's our vlog for today. Sit down ka.
Nugget.
Oh, we're gonna say bye-bye na, good night na to everyone so we
Nugget
can sleep.
night.
Good night.
Nugget night.
Why not yet? Good night na. Good night.
Nugget night.
See you on our next vlog.
No. Activity.
Bye-bye.
Tito Pala.
Wala si Teacher Perla. Bye-bye.